In the fast paced world of asset and facility management, staying on top of preventive maintenance, work orders, and equipment monitoring is critical for operational efficiency. Limble CMMS stands out as a powerful, user friendly solution designed to help businesses streamline their maintenance processes. This 2025 walkthrough is tailored for beginners looking to understand the essentials of Limble CMMS. Whether you're managing a small team or overseeing multiple facilities, this tutorial will guide you through the platform's core features and how to leverage them to boost productivity and reduce downtime. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the work order management. So, you can create, assign, and monitor work orders in real time using a centralized dashboard. Work orders can include detailed instructions, photos, and attached documents. This reduces delays and ensures that technicians have all the information they need to complete tasks efficiently. Another key feature is the preventive maintenance scheduling. So it automates routine maintenance tasks with customizable schedules based on time intervals or equipment usage. This minimizes unexpected breakdowns and extends the lifespan of assets by ensuring regular upkeep. Another key feature is the asset management. So maintain a comprehensive database of all assets, including their history, condition, and associated maintenance costs. This facilitates data driven decision making for equipment replacement or repairs. Another key feature is the mobile access. A dedicated mobile app allows technicians to view work orders, update statuses, and log activities from any location. This increases productivity and keeps remote teams connected to the system. Another key feature is the inventory tracking. So it monitors spare parts inventory levels, receive low stock alerts, and generate purchase orders directly within the platform. This prevents project delays caused by missing parts and optimizes inventory management. Another key feature is the custom dashboards and reporting. So it creates customizable dashboards to track KPIs and generate detailed reports on maintenance costs, downtime, and technician performance. This provides insights to improve operational efficiency and optimize resource allocation. Another key feature is the integration with IoT devices. To connect Limble CMMS with IoT enabled sensors to receive real time alerts about equipment performance and potential failures. This enables predictive maintenance and reduces reactive repairs. So, why is Limble CMMS a great choice? Limble CMMS is celebrated for its intuitive interface and scalability, making it accessible for teams of all sizes. Its focus on automation and real time data ensures minimal downtime and maximizes equipment utilization. Businesses benefit from reduced maintenance costs and streamlined operations, as Limble CMMS removes the guesswork from asset management. Additionally, its mobile friendly design and offline capabilities empower teams to stay connected, even in challenging environments. So, whether you're a small business or an enterprise, Limble adapts to your needs, ensuring seamless maintenance management. So, here are some tips for maximizing Limble CMMS. So, first, you want to start small and scale gradually. So, begin by setting up essential features like work order management and preventive maintenance. As your team becomes comfortable, explore advanced features such as IoT integration or custom reporting. Another tip is to train your team regularly. So, schedule training sessions to ensure that all team members are familiar with the platform's tools. This improves adoption rates and minimizes errors. So basically, Limble CMMS offers a comprehensive solution for maintenance management, combining user friendly tools with advanced features like IoT integration and real time reporting. By automating processes and centralizing data, it empowers businesses to reduce costs, improve equipment reliability, and enhance overall operational efficiency. So, for beginners, the platform's ease of use makes it a great starting point for digitizing maintenance workflows. As you dive deeper into its features, you'll discover how Limble CMMS can become an invaluable part of your organization's success in 2025 and beyond. So, whether you're addressing daily tasks or long term maintenance strategies, Limble has you covered every step of the way. So, if you need more information about Limble CMMS, you can always visit their website. And from here, you'll see a bunch of different information, such as features that I haven't mentioned. And you can also view the pricing right here. So they have a free as a plan. They also have the standard, premium, and enterprise plan. So just make sure to read the detailed comparison to make sure that you will avail the subscription plan that has all of your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.